Want to make money using internet without leaving your home? Or do you want to figure out the ways to make money online so that you can fund your travel? Well, we are all experiencing the structural change that is taking place around us, the transition towards everything online. So in this video, you will learn how to make extra money from home using the internet. So I'll be giving you the step-by-step guide on how to start your own online business and make money while you sleep. And to begin with, the best way to make money online from home is by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard it right. You can actually make money watching YouTube videos. And how you can do that? Let me show you. First thing you have to do is go to this website, rapidworkers.com. So what this is basically a platform where different marketers, different vendors, they put different kind of campaigns, and they are expecting people to work on those campaigns. So basically these are called micro jobs, which lot many people they are offering, and when you complete that job, you get paid for that. So once you are on this page, the very first thing you have to do is to click on sign up now. So you need to create an account, which is very simple. You just have to fill in your name, email address, password, and the country. And there are some restrictions which you have to take care of, that you should not be using VPN, multiple accounts. So you just have to create the account, and once your account is created on this website, let me just log into this, and you will see something like this. So this is going to be the dashboard for Rapid Workers, and on the top you will see different categories. You will see available jobs. So these are the jobs which are available, and if you do these jobs, you get paid according to the job which is there. Then you can also find the tasks which you will finish over here in this particular dashboard. And then comes the my campaigns, where if you want to set up a campaign and you want other people to work on your campaign, you can do that from here. And this is going to be my account, and then you can also deposit and withdraw the funds from here. So if you are submitting jobs, then you have to deposit money for those jobs, and from the withdraw option you can withdraw the amount which you will earn by completing the jobs. And they also have the tutorials on their Facebook group where you can just have a look as to how this thing works. So when you come here, just go into available jobs, and what we are going to find out is whether we have the jobs for YouTube. So in this job name, just in this box type YouTube and enter. So these are all the jobs which are related to watching YouTube videos. And you can see the first one, it says YouTube fast payment Binance coin, and you will get a payment of 0.03 cents, and it will take you estimated 3 minutes to complete this job, and so on. So these are the different jobs. So if you just devote like 1 or 2 hours, you can complete so many jobs, and all the money will be accumulated in your dashboard. So what are these jobs? So let's open this one and see what they are asking us to do. So on this it says the work done, which means that person has requested 300 people to do the work. If you don't see it, let me show it here. Okay, so you can see the work done, 300 people were requested, and so far 233 people have completed the job, and you will earn 0.03 cents, and this task takes less than 3 minutes to finish. And you have the campaign ID, and you can accept this job if you are from these countries only. So you have to take care of that. Usually they mention that whether it's for the international workers or for people from specific countries. So if it is international, you can definitely participate in that. And what is expected from workers? You need to go to YouTube, search, and find this thumbnail. So they have given the link. So let's see what they are asking us to do. Let's copy this and open it in a new tab. So this is the thumbnail which they want us to do. Search and find this thumbnail. You can filter by today to find it easier. So what this thumbnail says, Binance coin price prediction. So let's go to YouTube and find this video. Right, let's see what they are saying. Okay, let's find this video. What was the video? Binance coin price prediction. So we'll go and we type Binance coin price prediction. Okay, and that video, that thumbnail should appear somewhere. You just have to scroll, it should come up. If not, they will give the information. Says you can filter by today to find it easier. So you can also filter it by today. So how you can do that? You can just put the filter and upload date today, and let's see. Yeah, here we go. This is the video which this particular channel wants us to watch, and let's read what's there. Watch the full video. You can run in background. Very important. I will check is it watch full time. If skip, you will not get paid. So what you have to do, then just open this video, just mute it and let it just play in the back end. So yeah, you just need to let it play in the background. And then what they're asking us to do, share on any two social media. Do not share in story, do not use WhatsApp or Viber. So you can just do like this. You can go to share and share it on two social media platforms of your choice from here, like Facebook and Twitter. And then what they're asking, subscribe to the channel. Note, please make sure you find the correct video. So yes, what you have to do, just subscribe to the channel. And then what they're asking, screenshot of the page, of the video page you fully watched. So you can just, once the video is complete, you can take a snapshot of this page. And social links, please make sure you find the correct video, and you just have to show them the snapshot of the social links. And how you can do the snapshot and put it in this box, you can just go to a website called imgur.com, and let's say you have watched this video. So let's take a snapshot of this. So let's do a snapshot that you have completed the video, and let's go to imgur and then click on new post on the top, and from here choose video photo, go to desktop. This is the one. Okay, so yeah, and then when you hover your mouse on top of this image, you will see copy link. Then you just need to copy this and go here, and you can say, hi, I have completed the job. Here is a snapshot. And then you can also take the snapshot of the social media from where you have shared this particular video. And then you have to click on I confirm that I have followed instructions and completed this task. And once you click on complete, this person will approve. He will check and he will approve that yes, you have completed the job, and then this 3.03 cents will be credited to your account. And then you can just do it the same way for all the jobs which are available. So there are a number of jobs. You will find many jobs where you just have to watch the videos and just subscribe to the channel, and that's how you can accumulate some amount which you can use for yourself, and then later on you can also withdraw it from Rapid Workers once your balance goes over $8. So guys, this is the simple way to make money online from your home just by watching YouTube videos. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Cheers.